How to add more ads on your video, like multiple ads, pay ads on YouTube. For example, if you take that video and 16 minutes, you can see here 15 minutes 18 seconds, and go to editor. Here, editor. Okay, like different options here. Okay, you got your before video, during video, authorization. Okay, it's good. Go to editor and you see over here on $ ad break. You move that one, for example, and click on ad break, and it will be white line like this. Okay, after that you move again, break again where you want it. After that you move again, ad break again, and it will be like, for example, that one, ad break. Okay, and here you have to click save. And it's all safe. It's been processed. Process it. Okay. See that blue line? It's new break for your video. Move again. Add break. And you have to click save again here when it turns blue. Now it will save video again. And like that. That's how many breaks you needed for commercial to make some extra money. Just do it that way. Easy and fast. Thank you for looking. Good luck.